What's up, guys? It's Raph here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this channel is for everything investing and investment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell so that whenever I post a new video, you are going to get a notification that I have posted. Recently, I did a 3-day class, a 3-day Zoom class um, about stock trading and investing for beginners, and a lot of people missed it. And the reason why I'm doing this video is so that if you miss the class, you can actually just come and watch this video. It's the same thing. This is the same slide, the exact slide. I didn't even remove any slide from it. I just left it the same way, the same slide I used for the class. And I'm going to start the class right now. So this is Warren Buffett. Warren B, as I call him. He's a billionaire. You all should know this man if you are serious about stocks. He made his money through the stock market. And Warren Buffett makes billionaire moves. He makes big money big time. And he makes many guys that maybe have little money feel like they don't have a chance or a shot at the stock market. But with the way things are, you really have a big shot. In fact, little guys are winning so much that they are doubling, tripling, quadrupling, making 50 times their money in the stock market. But you have to be wise. I'm going to teach you all this. This is my favorite quote from Warren Buffett. It says, make long-term investments over short-term ones. This quote to me is the most important quote in investing in the stock market. Keep this quote somewhere, store it somewhere. It's very, very important. Now, stock investing is actually easy. The only reason why it's hard to you is because you don't understand it. Whatever you don't understand, you cannot be above, you cannot control, you cannot decipher, you cannot actually overcome. So that's why a lot of people lose money in stock market. That's why a lot of people are scared of going to the stock market. They are scared because they do not understand it. But with this class, you're going to love it, you're going to understand it. So what you're going to learn in this entire class, so you're going to learn what is stocks, why you should buy stocks, difference between stock trading and stock investing, where to find stocks and how to buy stocks. Everything fully loaded. You might be wondering, why me? Why should I be the one taking this class? Why do I have the right to teach you about stocks? Well, I have been studying the stock market for over 4 years. I called that the market entry when oil was down during this pandemic. I actually was very happy. This was one of my best moments when oil was down. God, ah, man, I was so happy. So I also called out the market on Nigerian breweries. Nigerian breweries is where they control 65% of the Nigerian beer market. Actually, I still feel that they're the most underrated stocks in Nigeria. Also, because of my tweets, because I'm most active on Twitter, a lot of people made money during the pandemic. I'm going to show you right now. So this was in September 2019, as you can see the date right down there. And this is no money, no money, but beer still the move market. What this simply means in plain English is, people are complaining because Nigeria economy is down. We have a really bad economy right now. People are complaining that the economy is bad, but they are still drinking beer. You see, that makes beer profitable. I used to watch war videos, that is documentaries, and I will see that in war, the soldiers are killing themselves with bullets, but they are always drinking alcohol. Like, even in war, people must drink. So and let me just continue this. And I said, I think I should do a tweet about the beer industry in Nigeria. In my opinion, that industry is flowing with money, and yes, it is still flowing with money. It will keep flowing with money. Now, these are more direct tweets. I was calling the market when it was down 30. It was down at 30. I was saying that I was going to rise up. This is during the pandemic, in between, I think, April to May. I was talking about its rise and its decrease, and I tweeted when it was 33 that's going to increase to 50. It went to 39, went to 43, then went to 48, then the market reset and it went back to 34. So it's at 34 right now, and it's still underrated. And this is someone testifying to it. Yesterday morning, that is my Twitter handle right there at Ebukaraf, did a tweet about Nigerian brewery stock selling at 30 naira per unit on Chaka stocks, which is a very good app. I really hope you all heeded his advice, because the stocks close at 33 naira, and that's a 10% profit for a day. So you see, that's just it, someone following. And I have tons and tons of this, but I'm not going to toot my horn here too much. I'm just going to just leave it at this. So what is a stock? A stock is simply the shares of a company. These shares are what gives you the ownership of that company. It's as simple as that. No complex stuff. That's it. So, example, if Facebook has 1 million shares and you buy one share, you just bought one out of 1 million Facebook stocks. If they have 10 and you bought, if they have 1 million and you bought 10 shares, you just bought 10 shares out of 1 million Facebook stocks. Now, the thing is this: some people use shares, some people use stocks. Don't let it confuse you. They are basically the same thing. It doesn't matter how you put it, as long as you understand what you're talking about. It's all about the ownership of a company, ownership of a company in units. So, but this is just an example. Facebook doesn't actually have 1 million shares. And in this class, I only talked about publicly owned companies that are traded on stock exchange. So Facebook is traded on the stock exchange. So I'm only talking about publicly traded companies. So why buy shares? Okay, first, to grow your wealth. There are so many examples. You could keep money now. Like for someone, I know someone that a guy actually interact with him, bought um, Tesla at 108, and Tesla is about 957 now, and he's still holding on to it. He's building that as well. He has made about 10 times his money, but he's still keeping on to that. His wealth, that is first 108. I'm just gonna example 108 has increased times 9 times. So you see, he has increased his wealth. So to make quick gains on your money, now, there's something you could do. I know someone that went into Tesla at $66 and he pulled out at 500 or so. So you see, he has made quick gains on that money. But all this is over a 4 year period. Sometimes you can make quick gains as quick as 3 months, as quick as 1 month, as quick as 6 months. Just like that. Quick gains, you can make sharp gains. Especially if you day trade, you understand that quick gains is the best thing for you. To invest for the future, there could be a company that is traded at the at the stock exchange right now, and you know that in the next 20, 30 years it's still going to go higher because of what they bring to the table is valuable to the society. You can just invest all your money in it and keep investing over a 10 year period. In the next 20 years, maybe you are 40, then you can maybe transfer the money to your kids or something, but you've invested for over 20 or 10 years. You see, you've invested in the future. People that invested in Amazon in year 2000, that's 2000, right? Those guys invested for the future, and now they are reaping the benefits in the millions and millions of dollars, and you are going to be one of those guys soon. So difference between stock trading and investing. Basically, the rule of thumb is trading is for short-term gains and investing is for long term. That's what it is. What it is. That's just it. It's straight out. Trading is short term, investing is long term. Remember Warren Buffett: make long term plans over short term plans. Make long term investments over short term investments. You see, Warren Buffett has come back again. I told you guys to keep that. He's going to come back. So Warren Buffett there still showing exactly what he's talking about. Now, trading, the rule of thumb is this. You should know this: when you trade for less than a year. Rule of thumb for trade for stock market is 1 year plus. A year plus is a long term thing. Less than a year, 6 months, 9 months is a short term thing. So know that in this whole period, that is the rule of thumb. 1 year plus long term, less than that short term. And it differs for everyone, but this is the rule of thumb, is acceptable. So from this, you should ask yourself, are you an investor or are you a trader? It's important. So drop this in the comments. If you're an investor or if you're a trader, drop it in the comments. Or if you are both, also drop it in the comments. So where do I find stocks? Well, it depends on the country. Every country has their own stock exchange. So like the USA has New York Stock Exchange. I think they have Chicago Stock Exchange too. Yeah. But let's just talk about New York Stock Exchanges in USA. And Nigeria has Nigerian Stock Exchange. Canada has Toronto Stock Exchange. China has the Shanghai Stock Exchange. Every single country, the UK has theirs. England has theirs. Australia has theirs. Russia has theirs. Hong Kong, I think they have theirs too. So that's just it. That's where you can get this on this stock exchange is where they publicly trade the companies that you can buy. Like Facebook is in US, so you can publicly trade. Nigerian Breweries is in NSE, Nigerian Stock Exchange. So that's only when you can buy those kind of stocks through their country's stock exchange. I want to talk about something they call a ticker symbol. So a ticker symbol is basically a representation of a stock. It's just like a symbol that represents a stock. Now, to tell you how easy we have it now, all we have are apps and websites. Back in the days, in like say 1929, everyone had to cram a ticker symbol that represents a company. So if you didn't know the ticker symbol, you couldn't invest in the company. Like imagine you wanted to invest in Facebook and you have to look for FB instead of a full Facebook. All you have is a Google search now, but back then they had these long rows of tickers where they have to check the symbols in the ticker symbol. So right now, just know that ticker symbol. So whenever you see people talk about, when you watch some videos and they tell you so stock, ticker symbol this, or they'll say go and buy this stock, ticker symbol this, just know that is the name that represents that company they're telling you to go and search for. So Facebook is FB, Alphabet, Google is GOOGL, Amazon is AMZN, and Microsoft is MSFT, and Tesla is TSLA, while Nigerian breweries, my darlings, is NB. So this is how you can find them on the stock exchange. So where can I buy stocks? All right, this is the best part. So there are various apps and websites, but if you're in Nigeria, you can actually use Invest Bamboo. You can use Chaka NG. Now these two apps only work for Nigeria. They don't work elsewhere. So it's only for Nigeria. Then if you are elsewhere and you want to buy stocks, you could use Trading 212. It's in the UK, it's located in the UK. You can do your research about them. They are in almost every country: US, Canada, Spain, France, uh, some other countries like that. So they are there. You could use them to generally buy anything from anywhere, any stock from anywhere. Robinhood, another beautiful, God, the people that created Robinhood are geniuses, but it's not available for Nigerians and it's only available for people in the USA. Not even their neighbors, Canada, can use it. Like, why do that to them? Like, why do that to the Canadians? It's not fair. But then it is what it is, and that's it. Then there's another beautiful app, True Finance. True Finance is only in Nigeria and is the app I'm going to use to do my live demonstrations. So get ready because the next thing is going to be live demo. Okay, in this YouTube channel, I cannot do this live demo here, but my next video is going to be the live demo for buying stocks. Like I told you, this is the slide. So in the Zoom class, I actually did the live demo there, but my next video is going to be the live video. So please, the live practice. So please, I will advise you to watch my next video. You're going to understand every single thing. And like I told you, this is the slide. This is everything that was in the slide. I actually have an advanced class that I'm going to be taking. And the advanced class is you're going to be learning fully in detail everything about the stock market, penny stocks, fractional investing, value investing, market trends. I'm going to give you a bunch of books that you're going to read. And though, by the way, the link to pay for the advanced class is in the description. It's right there. Just go down, you see the link. It's right there. But please, before you pay, watch my next video. So I want you to see how easy it is to buy stocks in my next video. And that's how I ended the class. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. I'm going to attend to it. Please, you can contact me at investwithralph@gmail.com. My email is actually on the channel right there. You can mail me from there, and you can follow me on Twitter at ebukaraf. Ask me any question you want to ask me. In fact, you can discuss with me in the DMs, no issue. You can tag me to post, no problem. As long as they're relevant, I'm cool with it. So this brings me to the end of this. Please watch my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the notifications button. Watch my next video, and my next video is going to be pure practice. It's going to be the live class. Thank you very, very, very much. See you in the next class. Oh, I mean, see you in the next video.